I'm gonna give you a little advice. There's a force in the universe that makes things happen. And all you have to do is get in touch with it.
It looks like I'm a wreck. It's in the hole!
If you're driving past Broadway at the beach on Grissom Parkway, you might notice something new popping up. Aside from the new construction, there's also this brand new road right here. Ta-da! Up here on the right-hand side, across from Broadway at the beach, they are building a Topgolf. It's on the other side of those trees, trust me. It's over there. This is going to be a Topgolf. If you're not familiar with Topgolf, just Google it. It's going to be a pro golf shop slash bar slash noisy traffic slash driving range. Now you'll see these steps right here. The back side of this building is actually going to be open air, and you'll be able to tee off with all this lovely traffic bothering you into this space back here. So there will be a giant net set up in this area with several holes and flags you can tee off and aim for from this 3-story section here. The vibe I get from the Topgolf driving range is like a Dave & Buster's for golfers. It's going to be like a bar and a restaurant, and you can hang out here with your friends and tee off from these levels. On the bottom, I'm sure there's going to be pro shops, restaurants, things like that. Maybe not full restaurants, but you know what I'm saying. Pro shops, food, things like that.
Home! That's your home! Are you too good for your home? Answer me!
This will be the front parking lot. Here's your building, and here is your driving range.